Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone in BeReal. So go ahead and open the BeReal app in your mobile device. Now you can go ahead and click the Add Friend button, search for someone you want to block, click on it, and tap on the three lines button on the top and press block. After you confirm it, this person will now be blocked. Let me show you another example. I want to block this person, so I'll tap on the three buttons and click on block. After I press confirm, this person will be blocked. So this is how you block people in BeReal app. Just go to the search bar and then search for the person you want to block. Tap on the person as he or she appears. Tap on three lines, go to block and press confirm. Now you have successfully blocked this person. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.